Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about promoting affiliate links using CHATGPT and Quora. In this video, I will provide you with multiple techniques that you can use to promote your affiliate links and increase your commissions. Before we start, it's important to note that we must take things slow and steady to avoid getting banned from Quora. Following tutorials is crucial for success in affiliate marketing, so make sure to pay attention and take notes. Firstly, let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like a giant chat room that answers questions, and we can use it to promote affiliate links from different programs. I've earned over $9,300 in commissions as an affiliate marketer using ChatGPT, and I want to share my method with you. To get started with ChatGPT, we need to create an account on an affiliate program such as Dr. Cash, which offers a wide range of offers and high approval rates. Then, we select an offer, such as Keto Corporal, and create an affiliate link for it. Next, we demonstrate how to use ChatGPT to generate automatic responses based on prompts, including explaining ChatGPT's purpose. Finally, we created a campaign for a diabetes product called Gluco Pro using the generated affiliate link. Now let's move on to Quora. Quora is a great platform to drive passive traffic to your affiliate products. We need to find new questions with fewer answers and use real human names to create profiles to answer questions on the website. The goal is to write answers that provide valuable information to the users and then include shortened links using bit.ly that redirect users to affiliate products. It's important to track clicks and sales generated by this method, which leads to earning commissions on promoted products. We can use ChatGPT to generate 1,000-word answers on Quora to promote our affiliate links. We can create a lengthy response to a question that can be pasted as an answer on Quora. Before we continue, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. However, we must be careful not to paste affiliate links into Quora directly. Instead, we can create a landing page or quiz page to collect email addresses and redirect people to our affiliate link. Quora has strict rules, so we should gradually add links to answers, with the first answer having no link and the following answers having one. Remember, taking it slow and steady is important to avoid getting banned by Quora. One of my subscribers made over $1,000 with the Quora method, so it's definitely worth trying out. In conclusion, ChatGPT and Quora are great tools for promoting affiliate links and increasing your commissions. Make sure to follow tutorials and take things slow and steady to avoid getting banned. And don't forget to check out Dr. Cash's affiliate program to make your affiliate marketing more successful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.